Introducing reed palm, Cercosphages rhinda of the family Aricaceae. Reed palm is a slender, multi-stem, slow-growing, clustering palm. It can grow to 16 meters tall. It has a scarlet to bright red-colored crown shaft and leaf sheath, making it distinct from all other species of Aricaceae. Reed palm is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and as a house plant. It is also used for its timber, which is used to make furniture and other wood products. In their native habitats, reed palm fruits contribute to the ecological balance by providing food for local wildlife. They can also be harvested for ornamental and decorative purposes, adding a touch of exotic beauty to floral arrangements and craft projects. Additionally, the vibrant fruits can serve as a source of natural dye, contributing to the creation of colorful textiles and artistic endeavors.